Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies oven full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, line an 8x 8-inch pan, and gather butter, sugar, eggs, flour, cocoa, salt, and vanilla. Melt butter and chocolate together, whisk in sugar, then beat in eggs one at a time. Fold and dry ingredients gently until combined. Pour batter into pan, smooth top, and bake until a toothpick with moist crumbs comes out. Start by melting chocolate and butter slowly over low heat or in short microwave bursts to avoid seizing, then cool slightly. Whisk in sugar until glossy, and add eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition to ensure a smooth emulsion. Gently fold in flour, cocoa, and salt until streaks disappear, being careful not to overmix. Finish with vanilla and pour into the prepared pan for baking. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to help me keep making videos you find useful. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle when baking because it keeps drinks close and prevents spills on the counter, which somehow saves the brownies. Check the description for the link to the bottle and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the pan on the middle rack and bake at 350 degrees F, watching closely as ovens vary. Start checking early. Aim for a toothpick with moist crumbs for fudgy brownies, not wet batter. Let brownies cool in the pan to set, then lift using the parchment and cool on a rack if desired. When fully cooled, use a sharp knife warmed under hot water for clean slices and store in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.